Today, we are at the brand new Dream Finders community, which is called Avalon Woods. These homes are right off Avalon Road in Hamlin, and they start about $550,000, and they go from 3 bedrooms up to about 6 or 7 bedrooms if you get the flex room. There's also another community right next door, which is going to be called Hamlin Meadows, which is, they're building, right now they're pre-selling and they're building their model homes there, and it's just adjacent to this community. So these are both great options for you if you're looking for something that is new and affordable in Winter Garden. Today we're going to be touring 2 homes. The first one is going to be the luxury Anna Maria model, and the second one is going to be a bungalow. So this one is the Anna Maria. It's typically 1 story, 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, but it has an option to build another bedroom and bathroom upstairs, or even 2. So it can convert to a 6 bedroom. Now let me show you the house. So when you first come in, you go to your left and you have 2 bedrooms right here, and one's to your left, one is to your right, and you have a full bathroom right in the middle. And now we're in the heart of the house, which is the kitchen. You have this expansive island. It's super large. It's great for entertaining. You could have lots of food and have your whole family sitting around also. Beautiful kitchen and a nice living space with these great windows and sliders that show you the outdoors from the indoors. So you feel like you're outside when you're inside, which is really nice with better temperature. Now let me take you into the primary suite, which is in the back of the house. It has lots of natural light and it has a lot of space. Super high ceilings and beautiful views right over the pool. It's just really inviting. I actually love the chandelier and the decor that they did in here. The perfect place to call home. So in this model, we have the stairs here because we have the bonus room upstairs. The regular Anna Maria model wouldn't have the stairs here. This room, however, over here is in every single model, and it's great for an office, and you also have a half bath downstairs, so check it out. So when you get the bonus area in the Anna Maria, you get this huge expansive space up here, and you get an extra bedroom, or you can make it 2 bedrooms up here with a little bit of a smaller living space on the 2nd floor. So it just depends what you're looking for, but as you can see, it's beautiful, high ceilings, lots of natural light, and you can make it into whatever you want. One of the options you have here on the luxury models is you can build your own pool and spa. So this is beautiful for relaxation and just for a dip after getting home from work. Perfect for a Florida summer day. Now we're in the bungalow, which is still a nice size. This is the Carter. It's 2,500 square feet, 1 bedroom downstairs, and you have 2 bedrooms upstairs with an optional 3rd bedroom upstairs, or you can have a loft up there. So let's check it out. So as you can see, we're here in the heart of the house with everything is connected. You still have the nice high ceilings and nice space, lots of natural light. And behind me to the outside, you have a breezeway that leads you to your own 2-car garage. Now we're in the kitchen, and this is a cook's kitchen. It's got lots of space. You have an island. You also have a pantry off to my left, lots of counter space. And then right over here, you have a nice round dining table, which is just perfect. So it's just right here. You can serve right to the table. On the 2nd floor, you have a full bathroom here and 2 bedrooms on the left. You have a nice laundry room, and it leads you directly into the primary suite. Let's go check it out. In here, you have a beautiful, beautiful space where you have a huge closet that goes around the corner, and you have nice high ceilings, and it goes right into this beautiful bathroom that has a separate tub and shower. It's all you'll ever need. If you're looking for new construction opportunities in Winter Garden and surrounding areas, reach out to us today. We got you covered.